Hello everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add extra baggage to your Emirates flights. First, if you haven't booked your flight yet, go to the Book a Flight section on the Emirates website. While booking, make sure to add extra baggage in the baggage section. If you've already booked your flight but need more baggage allowance, go to the Emirates website and click Manage Your Booking. Enter your booking reference and last name. Then click Retrieve Booking. Now select the option to buy extra baggage allowance. Follow the prompts, pay the fee, and your extra baggage will be added. And that's it. You're now ready to fly with your extra luggage. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.